Feeling all of your business tech needs just isn't working out anymore? You started looking into hiring an in-house IT team, but then you learned there was a thing called an MSP. How do you know which is the best fit for your business? Fortunately for you, we know a few things about this, and I've got some time to kill. Let's start with the thing everybody cares about first, the cost. Hiring an in-house IT team means committing to ongoing expenses. The average IT support specialist in the US earns around $56,000 annually, and that's before benefits, training, and equipment costs in 2025. As your company grows, so does the need for more staff and more spending. By comparison, an MSP usually charges a fixed monthly fee, giving you a more predictable IT budget. You get access to a team of specialists for less than the cost of hiring and maintaining one full-time employee. Plus, you don't have to worry about training or turnover cost, which can be both time-consuming and expensive. However, keep in mind, while MSPs can be cost-effective, you may face extra charges for things like special projects, on-site support, or scaling up quickly. An in-house team, once hired, doesn't typically incur these kinds of add-on fees. Personally, I give this one to the managed service provider. Now, even after crunching numbers, if cost alone didn't clarify much for you, there's always the matter of expertise. An in-house IT team is usually well-versed in your specific systems and daily operations. They're right there in the building, ready to tackle internal issues and handle the day-to-day smoothly. But the depth of knowledge may be limited depending on the size of your team. For example, they may be great at network management, but less equipped to handle cloud security or compliance standards. MSPs, on the other hand, bring a wide range of specialized expertise to the table, including cybersecurity, cloud services, data recovery, and more. You're essentially renting access to a full IT department that stays on top of trends and evolving threats. Having a wide range of experts with your IT team can be very useful as well, because as your business grows, so do your IT needs. For in-house teams, scaling can be challenging. Hiring new employees takes time, and expanding responsibilities could overwhelm your current staff, especially as technology becomes more complex. MSPs are designed to scale with your business. Whether you're adding new employees, upgrading your systems, or opening new locations, they can adjust support accordingly. In fact, according to Spiceworks, 68% of companies that use MSP say scalability is one of the biggest advantages of outsourcing IT. You might be thinking, okay, well, at least an in-house team will be able to fix things ASAP. I think we can go further and state that this is a clear win for in-house IT. When it comes to immediate support, in-house IT often has the edge. They're literally right there. If someone's computer dies or the Wi-Fi goes down, help is a walk away. But that doesn't mean MSPs can't respond quickly. Many offer 24/7 remote monitoring and support, detecting and resolving issues before they escalate. For larger organizations, some MSPs even offer staff augmentation, placing technicians on site as needed. MSP is still in the fight with their round-the-clock availability and proactive issue resolution, especially helpful during nights, weekends, or holidays. Security is no longer optional. It's essential. In-house teams may be able to handle basic security measures, but they can get stretched thin. Without dedicated specialists, staying ahead of threats can be tough. MSPs often specialize in cybersecurity. They implement best practices like multi-factor authentication, regular vulnerability scans, and proactive risk management. And because they work with multiple clients, they're quick to identify and defend against emerging threats. However, some organizations prefer to keep security in-house due to concerns about data privacy, compliance, or wanting tighter internal controls. In those cases, supplementing an in-house team with an MSP may be a good hybrid approach. The last thing to consider is how each option will last in the long term. An in-house IT team often focuses on short-term needs and keeping things running. That's important, but it can limit the time and resources available for strategic planning or innovation. MSPs, by contrast, often work with you on long-term goals. Whether it's migrating to the cloud, adopting new technologies, or building a cybersecurity roadmap, they can offer future-focused insights that help grow your business. Both in-house IT and MSPs bring value to the table. If you need hands-on support, prefer full control over your systems, an in-house team might be your best bet. If you're looking for scalability, specialized expertise, and predictable cost, an MSP might make more sense. And if you want the best of both worlds, many MSPs offer co-managed plans where they support and enhance your internal team, not replace it. It's not always about choosing one or the other. It's about choosing the model that best supports your business as it grows. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or want more information on how an MSP can support your business, feel free to reach out. Our links are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.